Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the technical basics right. Install and authorize Auto-Tune Artist, then restart your DAW so settings register. Next, record a clean dry vocal at around -6 dB peak. This gives headroom and avoids clipping. Once the take is ready, insert Auto-Tune Artist on the vocal track as the first effect so pitch correction receives an uncolored signal. Then set the song key and scale. This tells Auto-Tune which notes to favor and explains why your results will sound musical. Once the plugin is live, choose the correct key and scale again. This prevents miscorrections. Next, pick input type and low latency monitoring if you're recording. Now dial retune speed, fast for the classic Auto-Tune effect, slower for transparent correction. Make small human eyes and flex tune adjustments so sustained notes breathe naturally. These settings keep vibrato and phrasing intact. If the voice changes timbre, tweak formant and vibrato controls to maintain character. Finally, audition in context with the You finish by automating retune speed or bypass on sections where you want raw emotion versus tight correction. This makes the performance dynamic. Once satisfied, print or bounce the track to commit CPU and preserve settings. Make a quick pass for timing and dynamics, and apply gentle compression and EQ after correction rather than before. If you hear tracking errors or warbling, first confirm the song key, then lower retune speed or re-record the phrase with a cleaner take. This often fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.